Salesforce Salescloud certification dumps. Q1. CloudKix has 300K account records and 16M invoices. These were within a custom object in a master detail relationship with the account. Each account record takes a long time to display because of the invoice-related list's lengthy rendering time. What should the consultant do to solve this issue? A. Raise a case with Salesforce to enable fast loading of the related list of invoices, as this will help to render account details faster. B. Enable load individual components separately at the Lightning record page of the account object, as this will allow account details to render while invoice-related list data will be visible after querying details from invoices. C. Enable indexing on all the fields visible on the related list of invoices, as this will allow the related list to load faster. D. Enable the separate loading of related list setting from user interface settings, as this will allow the account detail to render while the invoice-related list data will be visible after querying details from invoices. The answer is option D. Enable the separate loading of related list setting from user interface settings, as this will allow the account detail to render while the invoice-related list data will be visible after querying details from invoices. Q2. CloudKix has sales teams distributed across global regions. The direction from sales leadership is to define access based on region. For example, users within the region have access to regional dashboards, while the leadership team has access to global dashboards. What should the consultant recommend to meet this requirement? A. Create region-based sales groups, one leadership group, and one dashboard folder with view access. B. Create dashboard folder for all region sales team and one dashboard folder for the leadership team. C. Create one dashboard folder for all regions for both sales and the leadership team with view access. D. Create dashboard folders for each regional sales team and one dashboard folder for leadership team. The answer is option A. Create region-based sales groups, one leadership group, and one dashboard folder with view access. Q3. The sales director at CloudKix mandated that implementing logic and automation to quality top leads is priority. CloudKix fully leverages Salescloud and has significant data points captured on converted leads and closed-won opportunities for the past 4 years. Which two actions can the consultant first take to ensure a best practices implementation? A. Begin with recommended base lead score of 100. After a predetermined amount of time, evaluate the results and adjust the score accordingly. B. Configure a qualification screen-based flow to assist sales reps in quickly determining which leads are high priority. C. Review converted lead data with sales and marketing leaders to understand the interaction patterns that led to conversion. D. Work with subject matter experts to define the key attributes of the ideal customer for CloudKix products. E. Begin with the recommended base lead grade of B. After a predetermined amount of time, evaluate the result and adjust the grade accordingly. The answer is option A and E. A. Begin with recommended base lead score of 100. After a predetermined amount of time, evaluate the results and adjust the score accordingly. E. Begin with the recommended base lead grade of B. After a predetermined amount of time, evaluate the result and adjust the grade accordingly. Q4. To properly plan for company growth, CloudKix needs to track monthly revenue projections from the sales of its annual subscription service. How should the consultant configure Salesforce to support this reporting need? A. Opportunity dashboard showing opportunities closed each month. B. Opportunity dashboard showing products sold each month. C. Opportunity products with formula fields for each month's value. D. Opportunity products with monthly product schedules. The answer is option D, opportunity products with monthly product schedules. Q5. CloudKicks requires sales associates to record all activities within Salesforce. Which sales metric can be derived from these activities? A. Marketing influence. B. Rate of contact. C. Close rate. D. Forecast accuracy. The answer is option B, rate of contact. Q6. CloudKicks channel partners for selling and servicing its Shoe of the Month Club. As the number of leads has increased, CloudKicks has seen a decrease in partner satisfaction regarding the quality of leads, and a noticeable decrease in the lead conversion rate. What can be done to increase partner satisfaction with the leads being shared? A. Configure a custom lead score field to assess lead quality, then assign the leads that exceed this score to partners. B. Configure a cross-object validation rule to ensure that all fields on the lead record are populated with data. C. Utilize the partner lead validator to populate a lead score and assign to a partner channel queue. D. Configure Einstein insights prior to leads routing to the partner channel. E. Utilize the lead score on the Find Duplicate button, and then assign the leads with a score in the high category. The answer is option A. Configure a custom lead score field to assess lead quality, then assign the leads that exceed this score to partners. www.salesforcestar.com plus 91,939 crore 39,34,143. Salesforce Start